Hi everyone, it's Travis from Coyote Moon, a Squarespace web design studio based in Oregon. And today in my video tutorial, I am going to be showcasing how to display a impactful headline, in this case an H1. This is your H1 header that is the very first thing that a website visitor will see when they land on your website. So in today's video, we're going to chat a little bit about what this H1 looks like on desktop versus mobile. This is an often overlooked facet of the design process, whether you are a do-it-yourself website owner or you're a designer like myself. It's crucial that you strike a nice balance between how that H1 looks on desktop and how it will appear on mobile, because they are completely different. So let's jump right in. So the first thing that I want to showcase today is the site style. So if we click into the edit mode and we take a look at the site styles button and the fonts and the headings, we're actually going to be able to pull up exactly what we have set here for our H1. So our H1 is set at 4.7 rem. We've got a weight of 600, a line height of 1.4, and spacing of 0. Now, this looks great on desktop, but if we toggle between the desktop view and the mobile view, we'll see that they are vastly different. So what once appeared as just a very clean block of text with no added letters or trailing words on the end of the sentence has now turned into, on mobile, something that is got a huge gap here, right? So for me as a perfectionist, I want this "I am an Audrey producing authentic digital content" heading to look in very uniform block form, especially since this is the first impression for all of your website visitors on mobile. So what we can do is really, I like to start on mobile first. And that means that we're going to adjust the heading on mobile. The one issue that you run into with Squarespace is that you're not actually able to set an H1 specific size and weight for mobile versus desktop. So what that means is that these settings for your H1 through H4 are universal, meaning they are applied to desktop, tablet, and mobile. So the first thing I want to do is I want to dial in completely how this looks on mobile. And to do that, I can adjust this slider for heading 1. And as I adjust this slider, oh, there it is right there. So to find that perfect block, we just went from 4.7 rem to 3.4. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And let's see how that looks on desktop. Pretty good. The one thing that I would change here is I don't like trailing words at the end of any sentence. So I am going to continue to try and refine this to strike that balance where they both look really good on desktop and mobile. So that is my tutorial for today. I hope you guys found this insightful. Again, to recap, I would always recommend adjusting your H1 settings and all of the settings for your font sizes on mobile first, and then see how that translates on desktop and find just a really good balance between the two. This website is for a freelance copywriter, and I am super excited because it's a one-page, beautiful scrolling website that showcases her portfolio, her work, a little bit about herself, and a way to get in touch for prospective employers. So if you guys want to get in touch, if you have any questions about font styles, weights, typography, fonts and colors, or any other site styles on Squarespace, I would love to chat. I can be reached at travis@coyotemooncreative.com, and please be on the lookout for more videos to help you build beautiful websites. And if you guys could help me out, if you like this video, give it a like, consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.